Hi guys. I'll wait till some people hop on. Oh, let me see if I can share. Oh shoot. Expand menu. No. Oh darn. I should have. Oh. Ah. Facebook. Okay. Okay. Oh gosh. Let me know when you're here. I can see comments. I hope everybody's doing well. I'm feeling in the mornings I'm so choked up. Uh, hey girl, glad you got on. Uh, can you hear me okay? And can you see me? Let me know. Oh, you're welcome. Can you hear me? And okay, good. Like I was saying, I get choked up in the mornings, and but I'm feeling better now. It just kind of comes and goes, and I have to rest when I need rest. So y'all have to bear with me. So let's get to it. I'm so excited. Uh, if you're on Facebook watching me, well, uh, come join my channel or subscribe. Quit it, little one. She's out the door. My cat won't in. Oh. Anyway. Oh boy. This is a tough one. No, there it goes. I love this thing. My son works at Walmart, and he lost his. He got another one, then found it, and okay. I'm gonna set this on the floor because you should see my desk. It is full. Uh, well, but this right here is full of pharmacy. And this little thing right here, I got, oh shoot, I can't remember where I got it now. Family Dollar or somewhere. It was reasonable. And I got a little bit of pharmacy, and I got note cards and all kinds of stuff in it. And I got my ring light my son bought me a couple of years ago when I first started pharmacy. I am so proud of it. He has been so good to me. I love him with all my heart. I'll do almost anything for him. But I do love him. He's sick with a cold, so I have to kind of keep it down. His bedroom. Get out of here. Oh, that cat. Hang on. You better get out of here. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, she's a mess. I know for one thing, she's a mama's girl. Follows me everywhere. But that little stinker. Always have to be right. If I go to the bathroom for 5 seconds, she's right there. Okay, sip of water first. Okay, I'll try to hurry before she tries to get in here again. And I just fed her. Oh, stinker. She's always in here with me. Usually sleeping on the bed, but she's just gonna have to wait. Okay. Let me show you. This is how it comes packaged. I mean, they packaged it good. Bubble wrap. I gotta keep clearing my throat. I bought me some more of this amazing chicory and collagen coffee. Everybody that drinks coffee, this is instant coffee, but it does not have the instant coffee taste at all. I have two favorite creamers that I use. One is chocolate cream. It's sugar free. I'm trying to watch my sugar. as much as I can. And the other one is when I put the chocolate cream in with this coffee and one packet of Splenda tastes just like hot chocolate. I mean, this stuff is so good. When I was sick about 2 or 3 years ago, I found out I had a heart murmur. And the doctor told me to go to that half and half coffee. It's half, let's see, half caffeine, and whatever. I forgot what it's called. But anyway, this has like only 40% caffeine. So it's good for me. And I love all the coffees. But this has collagen in it, and our collagen depletes when we're in our 30s, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But all these coffees has benefits. Even the grain we have, grain coffee, and the regular chicory coffee all has health benefits to them. So, it's cholesterol free, sodium free, only 3 grams of carbohydrates. So, I mean, I just love this company. So, and it came with a plastic bag. Okay. Bubble wrap. Okay. And I got another, looks like skincare. Yeah. Skincare. Let me know you're here, whoever you are. I see 2 of you. And let me know where you're tuning in from. And this is the skincare guide. If anybody's interested, let me know and I will okay. Okay. I only got 1 catalog. I thought we got 5. But maybe they changed it. Anyway, one side is the makeup. Hi, Donna. One side is the makeup. Oh, wait, okay, this is the skincare side. And then when you turn it over, this is the makeup side. These products does not have harsh chemicals. It is good for your skin. Pharmacy bans over 1,300 chemicals. Good to see you, Donna. Welcome. Oh gosh. Okay. Pharmacy bans over 1,300 chemicals in their products. which might cause cancer. The U.S. only bans 11. So who would you want to put on your skin? I only trust pharmacy on my face and body. We just come out with a body care line, Rich Almond. Oh my gosh, that stuff smells so good, and I love it. It smells so good, and it makes my skin feel so soft. Oh, thank you, Donna. But anyway, I won't use nothing else. If you want more information, let me know. Put more info in the comments, and I will get with you. So, okay. Here's a starter kit. Oh, this is beautiful. It says, "Welcome to your new journey." Oh, thank you, Donna. You gonna make me tear up. Where'd my... Oh. Maybe I need my scissors for this. Well, all right. Trash over here. All right. And it's magnetic. Magnetic. Has a magnetic closure. And it says it starts with you. On top, these two handsome men are our CEOs. The founder of pharmacy, Dr. Tuna, been in business over about 80 years, I believe. He passed away about 3 years ago, I believe, or something like that. But these two are his sons, I believe. Son and nephew, or son, I can't remember. But anyway, they're both Tuna. This is Emery, and this is Cyan Tuna. I won't read it to you, but anyway. Okay. Telling about the samples. Oh, track your customers. Oh, look, this is new. Once I get new customers, I can write their names and the date and what kind of sample I've sent them and their contact, like their phone number. This is so small. I'd have to get a sheet of paper the way I write. But anyway, this is new. I like this. And it tells why the samples work, because you give it to them and it's their skin type or whatever, like if it's skincare, and the makeup. This is the VFX Pro, which is good for all skin types, and I love it. I will be doing a look hopefully tomorrow, and I'll be using this. And it's a little light for me, but I'll still wear it. So, I'll be going live, which my group in Facebook, they took away live again. So I'm doing it on Facebook, and I shared it to my news feed. So, like I said, if you want more info, just put more info in the comments. So this is pretty, and it says who should get samples and when. Questions that you can ask. I can't hardly read it. Let me get my other glasses on. Let's see. What did you notice when you use something? I'm getting blind as a bat. I gotta use a magnifying. What did you notice when you used it? Okay. And what did you love about the product? Oh, okay. This is after you've sent the sample. Oh, okay. It's pretty neat. I'll have to really look over it. And these are our new samples. It has, well, everything that you need in this skincare line. Aqua is for dry skin, for hydration and moisture. It has a sample of the gel cleanser, the boosting hydro drops. It's kind of like a serum. The hydrating cream, like a day cream, and I think it's a night cream too, and the eye cream, all in one. I wouldn't just send you just one sample. I would send you the whole thing so you can test the whole skincare. Okay. These are our two primers. Okay, this is for oily skin. This is the VFX Pro camera ready uh, strobe primer. This is for dry skin. I'm sorry. It's illuminating, but it gives you more moisture. And also, this is for oily skin. It's like a silicone, but it don't have silicone in it. It's clear. I mean, it just goes on so smooth. So, and if you don't prime before you put on your makeup, it will help it stay longer. I just love these products. Yes, Donna, I can't say enough about these products. Okay, let's see what else. The VFX Pro sample of foundation. Okay, this is okay, and there's the other one. So one must be version 1. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Look at that. Look how nice. Gives you 4 colors. Of course, you would only get one. There's a test. If you know how to do a selfie in front of a window, I can color match you the best I can with what I got. Oh, excuse me. With what I got. And here's all the colors that we have. And our CEOs, I can't say enough about them. They spoil us. Because what we ask for in products or anything, they're on it. And they give it to us. I won't use no other products. So, this, okay, there's 03, 08, 14, and 16. So, okay, that's probably version 1. And this must be version 2. Let's see. No, that was version 2, and this is version 1. Okay, this is 0, 2, 6, 9, and 10. So, okay. More skincare. This is calendula. This is good for sensitive skin. It says nourishment and moisture for dry and sensitive skin. And this has the face wash. Oh, 2 face washes. The face cream. Oh, and 2 face cream. So you would get, one of each. But here's the whole line right here. Okay, who's still with me? Donna or Patricia? Oh, good. I've been wanting to test the purple one. This is Donna, okay. This is another primer. These are color correctors. We have 2 green and 2 purples. I want to try the purple one. The green is to balance, like if you have redness, it will balance it out. And once you put your foundation on, you will be flawless. So, and here's like a before and after. See the darkness under her eye, and this is after once she puts this on first and then her foundation. No harsh chemicals in our products. And I can't wait. This purple is supposed to help with my dark circles. So I can't wait to try this. It says brightens dull skin, and yep. So, okay, another skincare. This is Lumi Radiance, and it brightens an even skin tone. If you have like dark places on your skin, it will help brighten, get rid of them. And this, oh crap, I tore it. Here's the whole skincare line. And it comes with the gel cleanser, the brightening cream, another brightening cream, and the eye cream. Kind of tore that. Okay. Another skincare. This is the one I'm using now, Age Reverses. And I love it. And oh, thank you, Donna. Can you believe I turned 60 in May? Some days I feel it and some days I don't. But I'm blessed. So anyway, this is the whole skincare line, and this right here is, they call it Botox in a box. Like these lines here, there's packets in here. I think there's 30. Put a little drop here. Oh, thank you. Use one packet like on your lines. It will go away, and if you have a special event, it will last. I'm not quite sure. Oh, this skincare has collagen in it. So, I mean, all of these products are good for your skin because there's no harsh chemicals. And all of our well, most of the main ingredients, we grow our own. Like the Rose skincare line we had, which they discontinued, we grew our own roses. And we have our own laboratory. Laboratory. Yeah, laboratory. And they would extract whatever is in the rose and put it in the skincare. So, I mean, this company is amazing. We've got 2 warehouses, one in New York, I believe, and one in Miami. We've got a main office in Florida, but we're building a brand new one. And I can win a trip to go tour the new office if I can sell so much. I can't remember. I gotta look it up. But anyway, this is Age Reverses. And like I said, it's fine lines and wrinkle prevention. This is for like I've got what age? 30s, I believe, if you'd start, or really in your 20s, you could start using it. But anyway, other skincare. This is the Acne series. This is complexion clearing. If you have a teenager that has acne problems, this would. Okay, I thought you were. Oh, hush. But this is acne complexion clearing, and this is the skincare line. Let's see. This is the clear complexion cleanser, the serum, balancing cream, and another balancing cream. Whew. I had to close the door because Cody's bedroom's right next to mine, and he's sick, and he works at night. He works nights now. 63. Well, I'm not far behind you. He works nights. He's still a stalker, you know. So anyway, I had to close the door. Excuse me. Okay, this is the hydrating. No, wait a minute. This must. Oh, hair care. Hydrating series. For dry and damaged hair. I think this is the one I'm using. But I kind of switched to the keratin because I've been having a lot of hair fall out lately. So 2 shampoos and one conditioner and one hair mask. I've only been using the shampoo and the conditioner. Never tried the mask yet, but I'll save it for somebody else if they want to try it. So, okay. This is kind of messed up. Okay. Oh, this is the volume. Oh, look at her hair. It's beautiful. Let me plug in my laptop. Oh, there we go. Battery running down. So, volumizing hair care for fine and thin hair. Oh, beautiful hair. I might need to switch to this. But my hair is pretty thick. And we have a special hair care line that's supposed to have ingredients to help your hair grow. But I think all of these products, because I've been using, when I first started pharmacy 2 years ago, I was using the keratin line. Look at the baby hairs. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, I think all of the hair care products will help your hair either get thicker, which mine is getting thicker, because I just had it cut not too long ago. 3 weeks, maybe. I mean, it grows fast. It won't get long because I keep it short because I hate blow drying my hair. As you get older, well, a lot of women do, but some of them don't. Some of them still have real long hair at our age. But anyway, this is the volumizing, like I said, for fine and thin hair. Wow. And they sent us some bags. Say if somebody in town where I live wanted me to order something from them, for them, they can pay me through my PayPal. I would order it. And here's a little bag to put their products in. So, and here's the bag. I got 2 of them. So, and that is it. So they've changed it. I only got one catalog. Cut 3 weeks ago. Yeah, I think that's about when I've had mine done. So, anyway, if you want more info or you want my website, I've got a new website since I've changed sponsors. Let me know. Put website down in the comments, or if you want to try something, let me know. Put it in the comments. Thank you. I owe it all to my son. He even bought me a new laptop last last year because my old one lighting is. Oh, I know. I love my ring light. He bought me that too. I don't know if you've seen it when I know. And girl, uh, for my birthday, well, not birthday, but he bought it in May, which is my birthday month. He bought me a newer car and has AC. Yes. So I love my son so much. Okay. So no, it's a 2006 Nissan Maxima and only had like 70 something thousand miles on it. Thank you. Okay. Uh been on here almost an hour. So, and that's all I got. And I love this coffee. It is so good. I have been missing you, tell you the truth. So no. If you wouldn't mind, you can subscribe. Yes, we have coffee. It's instant coffee, but it does not taste like instant coffee. Right back to you. We have this is chicory. We have grain, and this is chicory with collagen. And it does not taste like instant coffee. They all taste, they all have benefits, health benefits. What's that you been hiding and peeking on me? Oh, I've missed you, girl. So, I mean, we just come out with essential oils. Oh, you're gonna make me cry. I forgive you. But anyway, oh, thank you. We come out with meal replacement shakes within, oh gosh, a week or two. We came out with the essential oils, and they're grade A. If you know anything about essential oils, they're grade A. I mean, we are growing. uh, we're in Canada now and Mexico. Let's see, we started there, was it last year? I believe. And coming real soon, Dominican Republic. I mean, we're growing big time. And we're already 26, 27, 28, 28 countries and still growing. I won't use nothing else. I know, right? Okay, I need to go at 50 minutes. So, thank you for coming. And I will see y'all next time. If I'm feeling up to it, I hope to do a look for y'all tomorrow or Sunday. Sunday is when Cody gets off and he stays up. After he gets home, he stays up a while, so I could do a live then. So since I'm with this new sponsor and new team, I'm gonna try to do two lives a week. I might not do my face, but I'll show products. Anyway, I love you, girl, and I've missed you. Thank you. Bye, everyone. Bye, Donna. Have a good evening.